TechTrader.com. It's Monday, March the 31st, last day of the quarter. The markets ended the quarter with a bang and a late rally, taking a lot of stocks up. But let's take a look at some of the stocks we're picking out today. On the long side, Boyle, which had that big run out of a base pattern and 5 waves up. That's a 1, 2. This is a 3, and this is 4. Eventually, I'm looking for a move that takes this up towards 120, maybe higher. Right now it's only 85, 84, but today it popped to 90 and change and backed off, still closing up 2 points. Volume needs to pick up a little bit, but it's, once you get to 94.5, the targets are 109 3/4, 120.21. In the same sector, obviously, UNG, along with Boyle, is a very similar pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave on this one. Could take it first to 24, then 27 and 29. Beverage company CELH, after a long decline following a monster multi-year move, then reversed, pulled back and retested, forming a base. It broke out or got up to resistance. Today, a big engulfing reversal bar, taking it from 31.83 to 36 and 3/4, finishing at 35.48. Looks to me like this could extend into the 38.9 zone, maybe getting into the mid-40s eventually. CORT, well, first I want to point out that this was considered a boxer short, meaning it had a multiple wave move up, came down, broke support, and here's what we were seeing. If I can get this to move back. Okay, well, anyway, what we were seeing was that, there you go, was a stock that was in an uptrend until it broke there. See the bear flag? Underneath the moving averages, in most cases, unless there's some external influences, this is going to be a boxer short. But big report came out today, FDA approval, boom. Stock exploded from 50 to less than 53 to 118.5. More than doubled, and closing at the high for the day or near it after hours. Pull back a little bit. About 16 million shares, by far the biggest volume ever traded. No, that's not true. Way back here, for some reason, there was another event. But you can see the long-term channel now calls for a move that could extend into the 140 range short-term. DBVT broke out of a base on Friday. Big breakaway move with big volume, trading 22 million shares, and today follow through. I like that. I think the stock has legs, and I'm looking for a move into the 8 3/4 range. EH, Chinese aerospace, held support and bounced today, but didn't hold it. Still, I want you to see this pattern, a nice base breakout wedge. Keep an eye on it. Tight stop under, say, 20. And if it does go, we're back to 24, 26. GRRR, a quantum computing stock with a big run. We made money on that one. And then a wedge, pop wedge. Target now, low 40s, high 50s. MASS, long downtrend. A long downtrend. A pop, a retest, a spike up, a retest of the moving averages, and then a pop again. And now this wedge. Today, an engulfing reversal bar tells me we go to 5.5, 6 1/4, and all the way up to 8 to 10. MLGL has been a monster in the last week and a half as it exploded from 2.5 to today's high over 30, just in 6 trading sessions. So be careful, but my extension target might be somewhere around low 40s, high 30s, low 40s. MLYS, 3 weeks ago exploded and pulled back, then popped and double topped. Came down from the wedge and today spiked. Up $1, 6 3/4%, and 2.2 million traded. If it breaks out of here, we'll test 18 and then 20, 21. RGC's been going crazy of late. As you can see, the big snapback today after a prolonged decline. Over a 6-day period, brought it down from 69 to today's low at 21. Only to reverse right back up to 39 3/4 just in one session. This reversal bar could lead to higher levels. I'm looking for 49.50. We went over, that's with Boyle. And finally, XPEV, the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, base breakout coil, strong run up, and now pullback. I'm looking for a retest of the mid-20s and then low to mid-30s. And that's what we have for you tonight. That's it. Look at some of the hot stocks at detectrader.com. Good night, everybody.